In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and animate roto shapes in Nuke. We'll start by bringing in your footage with a read node. In Nuke, the read node is your gateway to any media. Add it and point it to your shot so you have something in the viewer to work with. Next, add a roto node using the tab menu and choose roto. Connect the output of your read node to the input of the roto. This tells Nuke that we'll be drawing shapes that reference that footage frame by frame. Open the Roto Properties panel. This panel is where you'll manage shapes, motion blur settings, feathering, and keyframes. Keep it visible while you work. Now draw your shapes. Use the Bezier tool if you like precise control with tangent handles, or choose B-Spline for naturally smooth curves with fewer points. Click to place points around the subject and keep your shape simple. Fewer, well-placed points are easier to animate and maintain. Close the shape when you complete the outline. Once the shape is in place, refine the edges. Adjust feather and edge softness in the properties to create a matte that blends cleanly with the background. Softness pushes the transition inward. Feather creates a gradient across the edge. Use just enough to remove harsh cut lines without losing detail. To animate, move the playhead to a new frame and start adjusting points. Nuke sets keyframes on those points automatically when you change them at different times. Advance through the shot, nudging points to follow the subject. Focus on major positions first, start, middle, and end, then fill in where the motion changes. Keep an eye on perspective and overlapping elements. Adding a second smaller shape for a limb is fine, but keep each shape manageable. Check your matte as you go by viewing the alpha channel. Press A in the viewer to switch to alpha. A clean white area means solid coverage, black means transparent, and grey shows partial feathering. Flip back to color to ensure edges feel natural. When you're satisfied, connect the roto output to influence other nodes. You can pipe it into the mask input of a color correction or blur to limit the effect, or feed it into a merge to combine elements using your roto as the controlling matte. This completes the basic roto workflow from import to animation to integration.